Namaste. Welcome everyone to my channel Yoga with Sakshi. Today is day 20 of Power Yoga series. Today's practice I have kept slightly intense. At any point you feel like taking a breath or going slow, feel free to do that. Try not to push your body too much, but also give your best. So let's get started. We're going to start gentle with your toes out, back, straight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Going with the entire ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Arms up. Reach. Exhale down. Hold 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now take your legs back. Sitting in Vajrasana, come for tiger breathing. Open your knees, arms out, take your toes out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Take your legs back. Downward dog. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, look forward. We're going to jump forward in 1. And now you're going to jump back to plank. Jump forward without any noise. Jump back to plank 2. Jump forward. Keep breathing. Jump back. You can also walk forward and back. 4. And back. Keep breathing. 5. Back. 6. Wait, take your weight on the arms. 7. Back. 8. Back. 9. Back. 10. And back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Stay there. Walk with your toes. 1. Just warming up. 2. Back to the thigh. 3, 4 and 5. Adho Mukha Virasana. Rest. Give the rest to your shoulders and your thighs. Now keeping the same distance, you're going to go back. Feet together. Take your right leg out. Look forward. Now you're going to switch. Jump and switch. 1. Again, take your hip up to switch. Up to switch. 2. Feel your core getting engaged. Up to switch. 3. Up to switch. 4. Up to switch. 5. Up to switch. 6. Up to switch. 7. Up to switch. 8. Up 9. Last one. Up, 2, switch. Take your legs back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet together again. Take your right leg forward. Keeping your knee up. Walk with your arms front. 5. Go deeper. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Again lift. Forward. Go forward. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Again Adho Mukha Virasana. Rest. Breathe. Now giving your legs a little relaxation before we go with the next combination. So we're going to go Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, come to plank. Hold. 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, drop your knees down. Up. We're going to go 10 push-ups. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, go to your maximum. 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10, and up. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump front. Lie down on your back. Legs up. Flex your feet. Arms back. Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale back. Exhale up. Inhale back. Exhale up. Inhale back. Exhale. 4, back, up, up, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. Hold. 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, up. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Again, Adho Mukha Virasana. Rest. Looking forward. Legs back. Feet in V position now. Take your right leg forward. Warrior 1. Up. Lower. Up and stay. Breathe. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Again, you're going to go with right leg, feet in V position, right leg front. We only first go with the right leg. Now we're going to come to Warrior 2. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position again. Right leg front. Now we're going to go for reverse warrior. Up and back. 8. And down. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Breathe. Feet in V position again. Parshva Konasana. Out. Turn. Arm down. Chest up. Hold. Keep breathing. And down. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position last time. Parshvottanasana. Forward. Chest up. Exhale down. Hold. 8. 7. Keep breathing. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Relax in Adho Mukha. Virasana again. Before we go on the left side. Look forward and out. Come to V position again. Bring your left leg forward now. Up. Warrior A. Hold. 8. 7. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position again. Right leg out. Open the back leg. Warrior 2. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. Keep breathing. 3. 2. And 1. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position again. Leg forward, left only, same leg, bend your knee, reverse warrior. 8. 7. 6. 'And down. Leg back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position again. Parshva Konasana. Out. Arm out. Other leg. Parallel. Out. Hold. Chest open. And down. Take your leg back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position again. Last one. Parshvottanasana. Inhale up. Exhale down. Hold. 7. 6. Keep breathing. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Down. Take your leg back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Adho Mukha Virasana. Rest. Look forward, out. And jump forward, come to Manasana. Stay there. Hold 8. Keep breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Open the chest. 2, 1. One arm down. Armpit closer to the knee. Twist. Other arm up. Look up. Inhale down. Now take the same arm back. Other arm which was up and also arm back. The one that grabs is the one that holds. Look up. And send. Arm down. Now you're going to change. Other side, arm down, twist. And down. Now, taking your arm back, other arm, look up. And take your leg back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Jump forward or just walk forward. Stretch your legs in the front. Now bend one knee, Janushri Shasana. Arms up. Exhale down. Hold. 8. Inhale up, exhale down. Other leg, back straight, arm up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Bend your knees. Now we're going to go with Chatushpadasana. We have been practicing. So wherever your elbow finishes, that's where you're going to keep your arm. Chest not going down. Open. Open the chest to its maximum. Don't get your knees closed. Open them. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathe. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last 2. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last 1. Inhale up. And stay there. 8. And down. Again, legs forward. Arms up. Exhale down. Roll up. I hope you all are feeling better. Body down. Arms down. We're going to go for Setu Bandhasana. Inhale up. Maximum going up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Interlock your fingers and stay. And down. Bend your knees, come to Balakridasana. Hold. Just relaxing here. 10. Catch your breath. 9. 8. 7. 6. Breathe. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Get your knees together, up into Baddha Konasana. Back straight, just flap the wings. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and exhale down. Hold. Inhale up. Now keep your one knee bent, one knee out. Arms up, exhale to the side. Open the chest. Hold 8. Inhale up and change. Come to Baddha Konasana again. Change the leg. Over to your maximum. Arms up, exhale, down, open. Inhale up. Open your legs and go forward. 8 and go forward. Come up and bend the knee. Last time. Exhale down. Inhale up. Now we're going to go for Gomukhasana. I'm going to turn to the side so that you can see better. You're going to take one knee and cross the leg. Now this time you're not taking the leg too much in. You're just keeping the foot outside. So both the knees should be on top of each other. Now you're going to take the other leg and do the same thing. Now I should be able to see both the feet. Okay, they should not be back, and you should be sitting on your hips completely onto the mat. Now, whatever leg that is up, you're going to take the opposite arm up. Take it back, other arm from down. Back straight and stay. Exhale down. Inhale up and change. Now you're going to turn to the side and you're automatically in the same position again with the legs changed. Same thing, adjust, try and keep the both knees on top of each other. Even if you can't, that's completely okay. Now this arm is up, this leg is up, so I'm going to take the other arm up, opposite, down. Back straight and hold. Exhale down. Inhale up. Release the arms. Release the legs. Now take your one leg back. Triangmukhi Asana. Arms up. Exhale down. Inhale up and change leg. Out. Arms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Cross your legs. Let's go for gentle twisting. Arms to side. Up. Exhale, twist. And center. Change up and twist. Inhale, center, take your arms back, exhale down. And up. Today we are also going to take the arms in Namaskara back. So you take the arms back into Namaskara, try, and again exhale down. Inhale up. Release your arms, release your legs, relax in Shavasana. Try and relax completely on the mat. Inhale deeply and exhale. Observe the changes in the body after the practice. Feel the change in the body, in your breath and in your heartbeat. mindfully and consciously relax your breath. Mindfully and consciously relax your heartbeat. Relax completely. Breathe and relax. Bring your awareness back to the center. Gently move your toes and your fingers, feet together. Right arm above your head, left arm onto the belly. Bend your left knee, turn towards the right side. Keeping your eyes closed, come to sitting. Bring your awareness back up your hands. Once you feel the warmth, cup the eyes. Gently massage your face. Release your arms in front of your chest with gentle smile. Few blinks, open your eyes looking at the palms. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me in this session. Today's practice was slightly intense, so make sure you take good rest of your body and keep yourself hydrated. Have a wonderful day ahead, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.